Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that nice backup camera, we got a roof spoiler, we do get blind spot detection on this vehicle as well, and we do get remote start, a block heater, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You got 12-volt little hooks and doodads to hold your gear. You can collapse that row if you need additional space, and you do get quite a bit more space with your spare tire. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. You can adjust your seats. Carpeted interior with floor mats. You got cup holders and door space. Rear vents, 2 USB-Cs. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 58,638 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at here, we have our digital speedometer, which most people will have it on. We have My View, Trip and Feel, your status information, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, storage with USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. Got that leather wrap center console with tons of storage. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, and slippery. Continue your look here, we have dual climate up front with heated front seats and your heated steering wheel. Hazards and media controls right here. You got your infotainment system, which has your audio, compass info, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your normal AM, FM, but you do get Sirius and Bluetooth. You got your phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7910, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.